vintage Nightingale medium size. Comes with strap and with entropy. Color is black. Ito black. Tapos ito para siyang ano, yung shiny. Anong pangalan na to? Yung parang nag-iiba yung color kapag may light.
Iridescent.
Yan, iridescent. Yes, para siyang iridescent na black. Oh. Yan yung front. This is the side. Ganyan talaga yung design niya. Likod. Yan. Ang ganda pa nito. And the other side. Bottom of the bag. Tapos yung corners. Corner 1. Here, meron siyang rub dyan. There. Next is corner 2. And corner 3. So, meron lang siyang small rub doon. No? And then, yung kanyang handle. Rubber lining din sa handle. May signs of usage yung rubber lining. Hindi na siya buo. But the leather part, okay na okay pa. And loob ng bag.
Removable strap to.
Yeah, removable yung kanyang short strap. Malinis naman yung loob. So, this is the medium size Nightingale. Super mura nito with entropy pa.